Autoflex is a manufacturer, suppliers, wholesalers, factory, retailer, exporter and dropshipper of automotive LED lighting products, cheap LED lights, LED lights for Harley-Davidson, LED truck lights, motorcycle LED lights, car LED lights, and so on. We have been dedicated to providing best-in-class lighting solutions in the aftermarket, and original equipment manufacturer and supplier, OEM, OES, markets highlight lamp beads, intelligent decoding ADJ, adjustable beam. This product is just a plug-and-play 3 colors, switching freely fanless cooling system, using double-layer super thermally conductive, copper, automotive grade, aluminum, alloy design, thin ST, structure incorporated with heat dissipation area, good heat dissipation performance, fanless structure, no fan noise, no fan failure, more stable performance, integrated vehicle grade, and high-strength superconducting aluminum alloy, high-cost integrated design, with better heat dissipation, dual-color integrated lamp, PB design, switched luminous color, freely adapt to all kinds of bad weather, better penetration of golden light, in rainy and foggy weather, more safer driving.